Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add link to TikTok bio without business or creator account in 2022. If you have 0 followers, I show you, just go to my profile. As you can see, I create a new profile in TikTok. I have 0 followers. I can't add any clickable link to my TikTok bio. As you can see, I tap on edit profile. Here no option about any link. And now I have a business account. As you can see here says switch to personal account. This means I have creator now account. So if you have personal or creator account and you don't have followers, you can't add any clickable link to your TikTok bio. I show you second my account and I have 3000 followers and I can add any link to my bio. Just switch to my main account, and here you can see I have 3000 followers and I tap edit profile, and here is website. This means it's my link in my bio. If we tap on my bio, we are directing to my link. So at least you should have 1000 followers. If you have 1000 followers, you can add any link to your bio. Just when you received 1000 followers, you tap edit profile and here tap on website and add your website to this bar and then tap on save. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.